1, 2, 3, come on.
Good morning. Now I'm going to talk about measurement. Okay. First one, mass. What is the mass? Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Next, weight. Weight is the gravitational. Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by matter. Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by matter, represented by kg. So SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of mass is kilogram, represented by kg. Okay. Just you think, hold a sheet of paper in one hand and a book in another. Which hand feel the heaviness? The mass of the book is more than that a single sheet of paper. Therefore, the pull on the book is more than that of the paper. Hence, our hands has to give more force to hold a book than a paper. Force what we experience is called as heaviness. Okay, you understand? Okay, first one. Again, one more time. Mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Define mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Weight. Next one. Weight. Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by matter. Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by matter. SI unit of mass is kilogram, represented by kg. Okay. So one more question. SI unit of mass is kilogram, represented by kg. So low weights are measured in mass, milligram, grams, milligrams, grams. Okay. Normal weights are measured in kilogram. Low weights are measured in milligram and gram. Normal weights are measured in kilogram. Bigger weights are measured in tons. Bigger weights are measured in tons or metric tons. On metric tons. Listen, 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. Okay. Again one more time. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. Next another heading, beam balance. Beam balance. We use beam balance to measure mass. A beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of known mass, or called a standard mass. Called a standard mass. It's a picture. Next, electronic balance. Electronic balance is an instrument to provide accurate measurements of mass or weight. To provide accurate measurement of mass or weights, correct up to milligram. Correct up to milligram. Okay. Next, the electronic balance may also be used weight food, laboratories, other grocery items as well as jewelry. Okay. Next, time. SI unit of time, second. Okay. SI time unit of time, second. Time. First, day changes into night to night and night into day. Day changes into night and night into day. Seasons also change. We know time passes. How do we measure the passage of time? Clocks are used to measure time. Clocks are used to measure time. You know how to read a book clock face and note the time. You can also use your pulse to measure of time. Count the number of pulse that can tell you the time elapsed. In your normal speed of speaking, say 1 little second, 2 little second to count the passage of time. Therefore, SI unit of time, second. Okay? Homework. Very important homework. Is careful. Thank you. God bless you.